everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to model this part in FreeCAD. When we start FreeCAD, we will see the start page like this, and if you don't prefer it, check it on the right button. And the next time you will start with a blank page. If you want the start page back, you go to Help and Start, and uncheck it. It will be back for the next start. Okay, let's get started. Create a new part. And then create a new sketch and select the XZ plane. And then draw a polyline. We can draw the horizontal and the vertical line when it shows the constraint. And we also can press the M key to make the next line to be perpendicular. And then press ESC to enter the function. And then select the two lines on the top and the constraint equal. And select these 2 points, constraint horizontal. And same on these 2 points. And make these 2 lines to be equal. And then go to dimension. Set the length to be 10 and this one to 9. And this one to 30. And the height to be 10. This one to be 7. And then set the width to be 52. And the height to be 32. Next, we are going to constrain the whole sketch to be symmetric. And select these 2 points and the middle line, constrain the symmetric, and same on the bottom 2 points. And then go back to dimension and set the length to 15. Now the sketch is full constraint. Close the sketch. Then go to Pad and select 2 dimensions. And extrude 8 on both directions. Click OK. And then select this face. Create a new sketch. Draw a circle. And same on the right. Then go dimension. Set the diameter to 7. And the distance to 20. And select these 2 circles, constraint equal. And select 2 centers and the middle line, constraint to be symmetric. The sketch is full constraint. Close the sketch. We can cut the body by pocket or by hole. And then input the diameter here to be 7. When we create holes, it only get the position from the sketch, so we need to input here. And then change the depth to through all. Click OK to finish it. And then create a new sketch and select the YZ plane. In order to show the sketch behind the body, we can go to Model and right-click on the body, check Transparency, and then draw a circle. Then go Dimension, set the diameter to 7, and the distance set to be 25. And then go back to Task, and we can find the sketches for constraint. Then go to Pocket, and select 2 dimensions. We can try input 25 for try if the pocket through all. The same on another direction. Click OK to finish it. And at last we will add the chamfer on these 2 edges. And choose distance and angle. Input the length to File. Click OK. And now we can uncheck the transparency. And thank you for your watching. See you next time.